Worried your supplement website might get flagged by payment processors? Missing a refund policy or medical disclaimer is one of the fastest ways to trigger freezes or account shutdowns. Here is a simple way to check your site. Search for sample refund policies and medical disclaimers for supplement websites. Open a few examples and note the key sections they include: refund terms, disclaimers about health claims, and clear contact information. This manual check gives you a baseline of what is expected, but it won't guarantee your account won't run into issues with high-risk processors. Payment processors look closely at nutraceutical and supplement sites. Even small missing details, like a proper refund policy or medical disclaimer, can trigger account holds or freezes. EasyPay Direct helps take the guesswork out. Their team ensures your website meets the compliance standards required by processors, so your merchant account stays stable. That means fewer delays, smoother approvals, and peace of mind for your business. Just a quick FAQ tip: a nutraceutical merchant account is designed for businesses selling supplements, vitamins, and health products. Ensuring compliance is part of the reason these accounts exist. It protects both you and your customers. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can get your supplement website compliance checked and approved without the stress. Don't wait until your account gets flagged. With a quick compliance review and EasyPay Direct support, you can keep payments running smoothly and focus on growing your supplement business. Check the link in the description to get started today.